Fine, let me go with the problem number 23. Okay, here see what happens here. A mobile phone is sold for 1650, right? Right. After purchasing it for 1500, what is the percentage of profit? This is the problem of profit loss. This is the problem of profit loss. Right. Let us work on here. So what they have given, that you should write down. See here, a mobile phone sold. See, that is selling price, correct? Selling price they have given, that is 1650, and after purchasing it for 1500, that is cost price, right? Cost price is what? 1500. So we are supposed to find out the percentage of profit, correct? Now see, you know what is profit percent, right? You recall the formula. Profit percent is equal to selling price minus cost price, that divided by cost price into 100, correct? Now see here, selling price is how much? 1650, right? 1650 minus cost price is 1500, that divided by 1500 into 100. Now what happens? 1650 minus 1500, it is nothing but 150, that into 100, this 100 by 1500. Now simplify it. These two zeros I'll cancel here. 15 ones are 15 tens are, so 10%. See, the answer is 10%. When you purchase it for 1500 and sell it for 1650, the profit percent is 10%. A is equal to 10. That is option A. Fine.